7 miles northeast of Canton, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. This circulation. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Rains County in north central Texas until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Fruitvale, or 15 miles east of Wills Point, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Emory. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for north central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Moving northeast at 35 miles. The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Franklin County in northeastern Texas, north central Wood County in northeastern Texas, until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Pleasant Grove, or just west of Winsboro, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Winsboro, Mount Vernon, Purley, Pleasant Grove, Cypress, and Hopewell. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado warning remains in effect.